Hello everyone. Decided to do a little video tonight here at 7:30, November the 17th, 2015. A few days before Thanksgiving. Can't wait till it gets here. I'm kind of ready to go home and eat. Anyway, it's Forex video. Just kind of show you where I'm at. Right now I'm in a trade, gold, XAUUSD. If I decide to get out of the trade right now, I'm up $507, $505.88, 48 cents. You see it fluctuating right there. Right now my balance is $486.42. I lost probably about 50 bucks today, but I got it all back and actually made a little profit. To the point to where I was up like $1.47. Yeah, $1.47. But this trade does what it's supposed to do tonight, which I think it will. I'll get out of this trade with 367 pips plus $73.40, as you can see right there. I got in this trade sometime the day before I left work, and as you can see, there was a big drop on gold today. I was trying to get in up here on this sell limit, and it tanked on me. You can see these two big red candles here. It pulled back a little bit, and I got in on some of that. I think I made about $23 off of it when it pulled back. And then I got in this trade here when it was up here somewhere. But it pulled back down into here, got in on my entry, and then pulled back out. And as you can see now, it's just fluctuating, but based on my moving averages and my indicator, which you see these lines here and these black lines here, everything's still in the downtrend. I do not have a stop loss set on this, but I plan on putting one on it before I go to bed in case it does decide to go back on me too far. But I plan on being out of this in the morning with roughly about, like I said, $73.40 minus the swap and the commission. But that ought to put me up, I guess, somewhere around 570 something. But I still got a long ways to go. I got to get back to that $1,000 mark, or that $808 mark, whichever one comes first, which I'm pretty sure it'll be the $808 mark. Just thought I'd share this video with you guys again. The way I trade is personally for me, but I like to share this information with people. And if you're looking for a good trading style, you can definitely email me, and I'll definitely contact you back and even mentor you based on the way I trade. I trade probably 3 different strategies only because the market changes so much, and I don't. Based on me trading from the past, you really can't trade one specific strategy and expect for it to work all the time. I'm starting to find that out because the market changes so much. Different strategies calls for different market types and fluctuations in the market and just the way the market moves. So I've gotten down to roughly about 2 to 3 strategies that I mainly trade. I don't necessarily trade one more than the other. It's just that it depends on what the market is doing that day, that week, or that month, based on the strategy I'll be trading. I've slowly gotten away from just blindly clicking the buy and the sell button, because that doesn't seem to work. I either get in the trade too late on a buy or too late on a sell and end up missing a lot of money or not making any money at all. So I tend to set up pending buy orders, pending sell orders, and wait for the retracement or the retractment or the pullback on the market, and I get in there. I do a little bit of just blind entry trading as far as buying and selling, but I don't do it as much as I used to. It just causes room for headache, worry, and anxiety. It's too much stress doing it that way. This way is a lot better for me, based on the two or three strategies that I trade. But like I said, if you guys want to know how I trade, you can email me at ICLOPPSE, ICLOPPSE @gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to explain the way I trade. I don't necessarily use moving averages. I just use them for confirmation because they lag so much. And what I mean by lag is the market can be moved up and down 200 or 300 points before the lag indicator even catches up. So I just use it mainly for confirmation. Sometimes I don't use it at all. I got a couple of charts. I don't have any indicators on them. I just use candlesticks. And I used to didn't do that, and I'm getting very good at using candlesticks and recognizing the patterns and drawing channels or zones, as some people call it, and just trading like that. Like I say, I use 2 or 3 different strategies. It seems to work even when the market is not doing so good. I still make good money off of it. But again, this is for informational purposes only. You assume a lot of risk trading Forex, especially when you don't have a plan going into trading. And you could actually lose every penny you put in a live Forex account if you're not careful about what you're doing. I don't really trust anybody else trading my money. I would rather learn how to do it myself and have a good understanding of how the market works and trade it myself. That way, if I lose it, I have nobody to blame but myself. And with that said, I think you guys should learn definitely how to trade your own money versus just putting it blindly into the hands of somebody else. That gives you a nice presentation based on what they're doing as a trader and all of their winnings, and not showing you any of their losses or live trades or anything like that. The account you're currently looking at, this account, this is my live account. At one time in this account, I was up $808 almost. At one time, I was actually up a little over $1,000, and I've lost a lot of money. As you can see, like I said, I'm down to $486.42. This is my live account. This is trial and error. This is blood, sweat, and tears. And blood, sweat, and tears is going to help me bring it back, too. I'm just determined to do it. Every day is a new day. I learn something new every day when I trade this stuff. I watch other people's videos. It doesn't make any difference if they're demo accounts or if they say they're live accounts and they're live accounts or they're not live accounts. I watch them because in those videos that I watch from other people putting up on YouTube and other websites that I see, there's always a flaw or edge in those videos that I can learn something from. So I suggest you guys do the same. This is not get rich quick endeavor. You're not going to pick up everything overnight. I've been doing this for 7 years and I still make mistakes every day. It's just that I'm to a point now where I'm not making as big mistakes now as I was when I first started. So you want to learn Forex, invest some time in it, invest some money in it, read as much stuff as you can on it, learn the lingo, learn how it works. To me, this is better than trading stocks. The Forex industry trades over $4 trillion a day. That's more than the stock market, the Dow Jones, the Russell Index, all of that stuff combined. So if you want to make some good money, learn how to trade Forex. It's I won't say it's fast money, but it's good money. It's honest money, and when you do good, at least you can pat yourself on the back and say, hey, I did that. Again, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I'm trying to learn something as I go, or as you go here, and I'm learning something as I go. So, like I said, if you have any questions, just email me at iclops@gmail.com. My email is in the description below. I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good day and a blessed night.